Hey there, mindful travelers. Welcome to San Antonio. So we are standing just outside the historic market square, which was established here in 1890. Here you can shop at over 100 local vendors that offer handcrafted goods and culturally authentic apparel. So if you join us for Explore San Antonio, our culturally immersive excursion here in December, you'll get to stop by this location, get to shop here, try some of the authentic cuisine. If you want to learn more about the historic market square, you can also purchase our ebook, which is set to be published and put out on Amazon next month. It's going to be titled Explore San Antonio, Your Culture Guide to Educational and Service-Oriented Travel. And as we say here at Novel Excursion, don't forget to travel mindfully.
Bye.
Welcome back, mindful travelers. We're here in San Antonio again. One of the great things about our city are the sheer number of parks that are scattered throughout the town. So we're here just across the street from the historic market square at Millam Park. This is yet another stop that we'll come to if you join us in December for our Explore San Antonio immersive tour. This is just another reason to make San Antonio a great place
For families and kids to come visit. I hope you join us. Bye.
Don't forget to travel mindfully.